Hello friends and fans, this is Nopes TV once again. Make sure that you subscribe, like, share and comment. If it's your first time to reach our videos, please leave the video having subscribed, like, share and comment. If you find this video helpful, please like. If you find that your friend may need this video, please share him the video. If you find that you have to comment to tell us something that we can change next in the coming videos that may be helpful to us, please comment. Be free to comment. We allow all comments. We don't restrict any comment, and bad comments, supporting comments, even moral lessons. Comments may contain different informations, may contain different news. So be free to comment, like, share and comment. Subscribe. We provide you different lessons, either in English and Kinyarwanda. So this is the reason why you have to subscribe. You will receive all updates from us or video from us in the first videos. You will get all videos in the first people. You will be notified. Remember to click the notification bell so that you will get notified if we upload a new video. We told you that we have to provide you different terms, different sentences, different things that are in English and Kinyarwanda. This is the time. Let's go. Reka tutangire ku ijambo rya mbere rivuga ngo who are you? Urinde. Who am I? Ndinde. He is a doctor. Ni umuganga. He is a nurse. Ni umuforomo. He is a teacher. Ni umwarimu. He is a driver. Ni umutwazi. He is a pilot. Ni umutwazi w'indege. He is a fisherman. Ni umurobyi. He is a player. Ni umukinnyi w'umupira. He is a cook. Ni umutetsi. He is a cleaner. Ni umuntu ukora amasuku. Akora amasuku. I was sick. Nari ndwaye. Who slapped him? Ninde wamukubise urushyi? Who cooked this? Ninde watetse iki? Who ate my food? Ninde wariye ibiryo byanjye? Who opened the door? Ninde wafunguye urugi? Who cleaned here? Ninde wasukuye hano? Who did that? Ninde wakoze kiriya? Who built the house? Ninde wubatse inzu? Who is talking behind you? Ninde uri kuvugira inyuma yawe? Who is listening to the radio? Ninde uri kumva radio? Who is cooking? Ninde utetse? Who is playing? Ninde uri gukina umupira? Who is shouting? Ninde uri gusakuza? Who is murmuring? Ninde uri gusakuza? Kumwe umuntu asakuza gake yongorera nibyo bita to mama. Murmuring. Mwa bavuga ngo sha urabana. That's how they mama. Who is murmuring? Ninde uri gusakuza gakeya? Kwa kundi basakuza gakeya babyita to mama. Murmuring. Kuvuga wongorera gake. Who tried to open the gate? Ninde wagerageje gufungura ari amarembo? Who painted here? Ninde wateye irange hano? That is a blue pen. Iriya ni ikaramu y'ubururu. That is a red pen. Iriya ni ikaramu itukura. This is a yellow color. Iri ni ibara ry'umuhondo. That is a black color. Iriya ni ibara ry'umukara. This is white color. Iri ni ibara ry'umweru. That is red table. Ariya ni ameza y'umutuku. That is red jerrycan. Iriya ni ijerekani itukura. That is a bicycle. Iriya ni igare. That is a mattress. Iriya ni matora. Matora ariko ntabwo ari ikinyarwanda, ni ukuvuga ngo hari amagambo yatiwe, hari amagambo twitije tuyakuye mu zindi ndimi nka ikiringiti. That is a blanket. Icyo nicyo kiringiti. That is a blanket. Kiriya ni ikiringiti. What is that? Icyo ni igiki? That's me. Uwo ni njye. That's me. Uwo ni njye. It's me. Ni njye. It's me. Ni njye. It's I. It's I. Who slapped him? Ninde wamukubise? Who fetched water? Ninde wavomye amazi? Who fetched water? To fetch ni ukuvoma. To fetch ni ukuvoma. To eat ni ukurya. To eat kurya. To fetch kuvoma. To clean gusukura, gukora isuku. To cook guteka. To drive gutwara. To listen kumva. To speak kuvuga. To announce gutangaza. To inform gutanga amakuru cyangwa se kumenyesha. To think gutekereza. To dream kurota. I dreamt about fish. Dear fans, make sure that you have subscribed. Remember to like the video if you find it helpful. Please share the video, comment. That is the priority. Subscribe is the priority. Prior to leaving this video, prior to watching other videos, please subscribe. This is Nopes TV. Make sure that you leave a comment. Tell us how you saw this video. Tell us what you can change in the next video so that you will be satisfied. Expect things which are good from us. Expect good things, perfect things from us. This is Nopes TV once again. I am reminding you to subscribe if you have not subscribed, please. We are kindly requesting you to subscribe. Hanyuma rero reka nkubwire ngo niba ukeneye kwiga icyongereza wizuyaza twandikiye muri comment, hanyuma tuzakwandikira kuri email tugufashe tukubwira uburyo wakwigamo icyongereza. Niba ukeneye kumenya ikinyarwanda nabwo uramutse uzi icyongereza ushaka kumenya ikinyarwanda, we will help you, tuzagufasha. If you know Kinyarwanda and wish to know English, please contact us. Text, comment. This is Nopes TV. Thank you so much. Comment. This is Nopes TV. Thank you so much.